Have you ever wondered how sweet the world can be? Journey with us to explore must-try desserts from around the globe. These are not just desserts. They blend culture, tradition, and pure indulgence. Cendol is an iced sweet dessert from Southeast Asia, particularly Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. It's made with pandan-flavored rice flour jelly strands, often green in color, coconut milk, palm sugar syrup, and crushed ice. Creamy coconut milk, chewy pandan jelly, and sweet palm sugar create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Cendol is commonly enjoyed as a cooling treat during hot weather. It is sometimes topped with red beans or corn for texture and taste. Mochi, Japan. This chewy, sweet rice cake is made from glutinous rice pounded into a sticky dough. Mochi is often filled with sweet red bean paste, but there are countless variations, including those filled with ice cream or fruits. It's a traditional treat during Japanese New Year, but it's enjoyed year-round. The texture of mochi is unique, soft, stretchy, and delightfully chewy. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a fun and flavorful experience. Gulab Jamun is a beloved dessert in India and Pakistan, made from deep-fried dough balls soaked in a sweet syrup flavored with rosewater, saffron, and cardamom. The dough for Gulab Jamun is typically made from milk solids, flour, and a leavening agent like baking soda or powder, resulting in soft and spongy balls that absorb the fragrant syrup. Gulab Jamun is often served warm or at room temperature, garnished with chopped nuts like pistachios or almonds. Its melt-in-your-mouth texture and aromatic syrup make it popular for celebrations, festivals, and special occasions throughout India and Pakistan. Linzer Torte, Austria. Linzer Torte is a traditional Austrian dessert from the 17th century. It consists of a buttery crust made with ground almonds or hazelnuts, filled with tart fruit preserves, often raspberry or blackcurrant, and topped with a lattice crust for a decorative finish. The nutty crust and fruity filling create a delightful contrast of flavors, making Linzer Torte a beloved treat during the holiday season and special occasions in Austria. It's often dusted with powdered sugar before serving, adding a touch of sweetness and elegance to this classic dessert. Tiramisu, Italy. This no-bake dessert layers coffee-soaked ladyfingers with a rich mixture of mascarpone cheese, eggs, and sugar. A dusting of cocoa powder on top completes this classic treat. Tiramisu translates to pick-me-up with its combination of creamy, caffeinated goodness. It's easy to see why. The balance of flavors, bittersweet coffee, smooth mascarpone, and a hint of cocoa makes each bite perfectly harmonious with taste and texture. Dulce de Leche, Argentina. This creamy caramel-like spread is made by slowly heating sweetened milk until it becomes thick and golden. Dulce de Leche is incredibly versatile. It can be spread on toast, used as a filling for cakes and pastries, or eaten by the spoonful. The rich, sweet flavor of Dulce de Leche is comforting and addictive, making it a beloved component of many Argentine desserts. Medovik, Russia. Medovik is a honey cake known for its soft, tender layers and rich caramelized flavor. The cake is layered thin, honey-infused cake rounds with a creamy filling, often made from sweetened condensed milk or sour cream. Each layer is soaked in honey syrup, adding moisture and enhancing the cake's flavor. Medovik is typically decorated with a sprinkle of crushed walnuts or grated chocolate. It's a popular dessert in Russia, especially during celebrations and family gatherings, and its melt-in-your-mouth texture makes it a favorite among dessert lovers. Baklava, Turkey. Baklava is a rich and indulgent dessert that originates from Turkey. It's made with layers of thin, flaky pastry dough filled with chopped nuts, usually pistachios or walnuts. It is sweetened with a syrup made from sugar, water, and sometimes honey or rose water. Combining crispy pastry and sweet, nutty filling creates a delicious contrast of textures and flavors. Baklava is often enjoyed on special occasions and festivals, and its intricate layers and syrupy goodness make it a beloved dessert in Turkey and worldwide. Kashata, East Africa. Kashata is a coconut-based dessert from East Africa, particularly in Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. It's made from grated coconut, sugar, and sometimes cardamom or other spices cooked together until sticky and caramelized. The mixture is then shaped into squares or rounds and allowed to cool and harden, resulting in chewy and sweet coconut treats. Kashata is often enjoyed as a snack or dessert, offering a taste of tropical flavors and textures that are both satisfying and delightful. Sesame balls, or jiandui in Chinese, are popular sweet treats in Chinese cuisine. These golden brown balls are made from glutinous rice flour dough filled with sweet red beans or lotus seed paste. The balls are coated with sesame seeds, giving them a crispy exterior and a nutty flavor. The crunchy sesame coating and soft, gooey filling make them a delightful indulgence for dessert enthusiasts. Cornes de Gazelle, Morocco. Cornes de Gazelle, meaning gazelle horns, are delicate Moroccan pastries. They feature a flaky dough filled with almond paste, orange blossom water, and sometimes spices like cinnamon. Shaped like crescent moons, they're baked until golden and crisp, then dusted with powdered sugar for sweetness. These pastries are a hit during festivals such as Eid al-Fitr and weddings. Their fragrant almond filling and light, crispy texture make them a cherished treat in Moroccan culinary traditions. Enjoyed for their intricate flavors and beautiful presentation, Cornes de Gazelle showcases Moroccan pastries' artistry and elegance. Mango sticky rice, Thailand. This dish features sweet, sticky rice cooked with coconut milk and served with ripe, juicy mango slices. A drizzle of coconut cream on top adds an extra layer of richness. The slightly salty coconut rice and the sweet, succulent mango create a refreshing and satisfying dessert that's perfect for hot tropical weather. Loukoumades, Greece. Loukoumades are small, deep-fried dough balls soaked in honey syrup and often sprinkled with cinnamon and sesame seeds. These bite-sized treats are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, with a sweet, sticky coating that makes them irresistible. Loukoumades are often enjoyed during festivals and celebrations, bringing joy and sweetness to any occasion. The world is full of incredible desserts waiting to be discovered. Each one offers a taste of the culture and traditions of its home country, bringing us closer to the diverse and delicious ways people around the world enjoy their sweets. So next time you're in the mood for something sweet, why not take a culinary trip around the globe and try one of these must-try desserts? For more delicious adventures worldwide, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy tasting!